We're up and about early-ish. We're off to the yard to go and see the sky. And then we're going to go and do a little bit of shopping for the family who can't get out. Beautiful day again. Nice and sunny. Yeah. Oh, we do like a good roll in the morning. Today's little project, I'm repairing this little box we found up in the loft. It used to be Lynn's mum's grandmother's box, and then she used it as her first aid box, hence the little red cross, which we're going to keep, and we're going to use it as a first aid box. Nice bit of history. Another job jobbed. Ben's given the chair another coat of paint. Looks really good. And a finished first aid box. Job done. New hose pipe reel. We've had this for about 3 months. Nice to see you doing a bit.
Yeah.
Been lounging around all afternoon. I don't want me dinner. Well, it's a lovely evening. And guess what we're doing? Well, Lynn's poo picking. I'm watching. Oh, I'm fixing the fences as well. Well, we've had another very productive day. Hose pipe up in the garden. Lynn's more or less finished painting her, her chair. I finished the little first aid box. We did a bit of shopping for the family. Poo picked the fields. So
Carry on.
sorted Sky. If we could go somewhere, I'd move out. I'm going to say thank you very much for watching. I will see you all next time.